Hello friends, today's recipe is Keto Rasgullas. It is very easy to make and needs only basic ingredients: full fat milk, lime juice, cardamom essence, sweetener, saffron and xanthum gum. Add milk to a heavy bottom pan and let it boil. Once the milk starts boiling, I will add some lime juice. Let the milk curdle. If the milk does not curdle, then add some more lemon juice. Boil until the curd is completely separated from the whey. Take any fine cotton or muslin cloth and drain all the curdled milk. Rinse the chena or paneer under running water to remove the acidic flavor. Squeeze out the excess water, or you can hang it for at least 30 minutes to remove excess whey. Now I will knead the cottage cheese with the palms of my hands until it becomes smooth. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Our mixture is attaining uniformly smooth texture and no more grains are left. So we will stop kneading. Take small portion of the dough and roll into small balls. Guys, they should be small, not big, because they expand in size after boiling. Doing same with all the balls, and our balls are ready. As you can see, it looks smooth. There are no cracks on the balls. Boil some water, add sweetener and let it dissolve properly. Add xanthum gum to small bowl with water and stir it until it becomes smooth or no lumps remain. Add in the hot water, stir continuously because it has a tendency to form lumps. In case if any lump is found, then you can sieve the mixture. Add cardamom essence. Now gently add the balls one after the other. Cover with the lid for 5 minutes. As you can see, the size of balls is increasing. It will take 15 minutes to cook properly and we need to stir our balls after every 5 minutes. Guys, there are few tips which I want to discuss with you. First one is always use fresh cottage cheese for rasgullas. Second one is kneading the cheese is very important part, so be careful while doing this process. Third is water should be boiling while you drop the balls into it, otherwise it will break or scatter. Fourth one is keep stirring after every 5 minutes. Now this is done. Adding saffron and cover it with the lid and let it cool for at least 2 hours. Serve them chilled. And guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.